Hey, tu jala hey, hiding hala hala hiding, hiding hala hala hiding, wajalala eh ha na.
First of all, I want to say Alhamdulillah, God gave me everything. Alhamdulillah. I know you got this, they don't like this. Alhamdulillah. Tomorrow night, I'm gonna smash your boy, guys. I'm gonna smash your boy. And tomorrow night, inshallah.
Newton, UFA champion of the world.
First of all, I want to say Alhamdulillah. Without God, we cannot do nothing. Everything is nothing. You know, number one, believe on your one God.
Proper 12. I almost didn't get the glass. I almost didn't get the bottle.
You think whiskey gonna help him? I don't understand.
Shut your mouth, mate. Yeah, join the bus. Happy birthday, join the bus.
I don't drink.
Why don't you drink?
don't drink.
Why don't you drink?
I never drink.
about this stuff. And you know, this is for me is very important. I know my father gonna smash me when I go home because I know he's gonna smash me. And Nevada, sorry. Vegas, sorry. And Alhamdulillah,